And in this video, we're going to calculate the square root of 121. And to do this calculation, we need the definition of a square root. What is a square root? So, the square root of any number is equal to b if, and only if b squared is equal to the value of a, that is, if b squared equals the value inside the root. What does that mean for us? Look, isn't b squared the same as b multiplied by b? So, in this case, we want to find out what number, when I multiply it by itself, b times b gives a, which is the value inside the square root. So, applying this concept here to the square root of 121, we have what value, when multiplied by itself, results in 121, and this value will be the result of our square root of 121. Here, we have that 11 multiplied by 11 equals 121. Therefore, the square root of 121 is 11. So, in a very simple way, we have calculated the square root of 121 here. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'll leave here at the end for you to watch. Big hug to you all and God bless.